Hello YouTube, I'm Ashish from Roto&M YouTube channel and you're in the right place if you want to learn rotoscoping in best ways. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first to know when I upload anything new. So in this class, I'm gonna teach you about how to animate the shape inside of Silhouette if there is scaling in the footage. So let's get started. So here is our footage. So what I earlier told you is first you will have to play the footage. So now I'm playing the footage. Now the footage is playing properly. Then you will have to analyze the footage. So as you can clearly see that there is scaling in the footage. I mean, in the first frame you can see the size of this watch is less, but as it goes to last frame the size is much bigger. Okay, so this kind of motion is called scaling. Okay, so the portion of the watch is scaling to small to big. Okay, so now how to do this type of roto I'll tell you. Okay, so first I'll come here. Okay, here you can make layers also, and because we are doing manual, so if you do without layer then that's okay. If you do with layer then that's fantastic. Okay, so let's take a layer. Okay, I created a layer. This layer is active. This tick sign means this layer is active. Okay, so I selected the layer. Now I took a B spline. Okay, so now I took a B spline. After that I'll have to do which one? I think this one. Okay, so I'll do this one. Now so just see where the number is clearly visible. Okay, so whenever the shape is much bigger then it will be more visible. Okay, so in the last frame the shape is much bigger, so we're gonna make the shape on this frame only. Okay, so here I took B spline. Now keep the middle edge. Okay, so how to add the points? You can just select this reshape tool and then hold alt. When you hold alt and come here, it will show plus sign. So when you click, a point will be added here. So you can do like this. Now I have drawn the shape for here. Okay, so now I drawn the shape for this one. Now you can see here also the movement of the object is uniform. Okay, so it is scaling down in same speed. Okay, so what we can do, we can just come to the first frame only here, and then I'll select my shape, and then I have selected the transform tool. So now I press Q. So when I press Q, this transform tool will come, and then I just hold the control and then click and drag here. Okay, so now here because the shape is scaled down, so it is showing like this. So there are two ways you can match it. One is just select the transform tool, come here and hold shift. When you hold shift, it will scale down uniformly. It means from every side it will scale down. So now I hold shift and then come here in the corner and just drag. So now it is scaling down. Okay, so now it is scaled down, but what the problem here is this is not matching. So what you can do, you can come here, hold alt. So when you hold alt and then click here and this arrange this. So now it is arranged. Okay, Another process is you can just look. Let me come to earlier one. Okay, so now here it's match, here it's not match, so I'll press Q, then I'll come to any one point like this one or any one. So I'm coming here, I'll match this portion only, so this portion here I matched, and then zoom a little bit. Okay, so the shortcut for zooming is by scroll your mouse scroll, or you can just press your plus and minus icon from the keyboard. So just press plus by icon and then press E. So remember, transform tool must be selected and then come here and just press E. So when you press E, this dot sign will come. Now zoom out a little bit and just hold shift. So I hold shift and then click and drag. Okay, so what you can see, this portion is stick to here only, but all the other portions are scaling. Now just arrange it by your keyboard. Now look here. Okay, so you need to edit it a little bit with keyboard. Okay, so now here it's almost done. Okay, so now I can see, I can show you this. Wait, the spline is black, so you will have to change the color. So I change it. Now see, so no need more keys here. I only made the shape here and edited here, and then it is going very properly. So what you will have to do is you have to do all these numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So another thing is, there are here one, here also one, here also one, here also one, here also one. So every time you will have to create another shape. This will take a lot of time. So what you can do, just come to one frame, like here I came, then just press M for multi-frame. You can also click this one, so this will select multi-frame, and then your browser will show this red thing. Okay, so when this is showing red, then it is in multi-frame. So now what I can do, just see here is one spline, this one. So when I press Ctrl D, look it here. Now another spline is created, but this spline is as same as this one, but the duplicate of this one. So now I selected the transform tool, I pressed Q and just move it here. Okay, and I put it here. Now what I am gonna do, I'll just again press M, or you can just press here, then this multi-frame will go. But here, when you can see, this is not going proper. Like when I play, look, this is not going proper. So because here there is only two splines. Okay, so you can edit it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'll come here. So it is matching in this frame. This frame is matching, but this frame is not matching. So what I can do, I can just come here and match it. Okay, like this. So then it will follow the shape. Okay, or you can also do one thing. Look, I'll do Ctrl Z for undo. Okay, so here is match, but here is not matching. So what you can do, you can come here in the timeline. Here is matching, in this keyframe it's matching, but in this keyframe it's not matching. So what you can do, you can just delete this keyframe. So here you can right click, delete. So it will delete, and then there is no keyframe only. Here is only one keyframe. So now you can just come to here in the first frame, and then again do the same thing. I just came here, zoom a little bit, press E and then zoom out a little bit and then hold the shift and then like this only. So now it's set. A little bit of right side. Okay, now it's set. Now I can show the shape is going properly. So here is also true, here is also true, so you can do that the same. Okay, so what you have to do, you'll have to do all the numbers, and you can also do this thing, this one also. This round one. Okay, so look, I created it here by mistake. So what I can do, I just came here. Okay, I pressed E and then now it's set a little bit here. So this is done here. Now I came to first frame and then I came a little bit down. I pressed E and scale down, hold shift and scale down. Good. Okay, here a little bit right side, here it's not matching, so I just selected both the points and then I pressed double T, so it came, and then I can do it like this only, and here I'll have to edit it with. Okay, so now it's going properly. So now you can finish this shot also. Now I'm going to shift him to another shot. Okay, so let me open that shot. So now here I open the shot, let it play first. So I came to first frame and then play. So now this shot is playing smoothly. So as you can see clearly in this shot that the laptop is scaling up. It means the size of the laptop is getting bigger. Okay, so this is also a scaling shot. So here I have made some shapes already. So I'll switch off this. I'll create another layer, and then what we'll have to do, come to that frame where the object is much more clearly visible. So because here it's so big, so it will be more visible. Okay, so I came to the last frame, then I'll draw a shape for this. So I'll draw it. So now I have drawn the shape, but my shape is black and this frame is also black, so I need to change the color. So I have red is fine. So now it's red. Now in this shot also the movement is uniform only, but not properly uniform. So what I'll do, I'll just come to first frame. I know in middle also we'll have to edit the shape. So I'll come here. Okay, so what I earlier told you, you can just select the shape, select the transform tool, and then come here and just hold shift and then do it like this only. Okay, so if you do it like this, then you will have to move it like here also, and then you will have to edit. Okay, like here also. So what I'll do, I'll come here. Okay, I'll come here, just I'll press T and then Q. So Q for this transform mode, and I'll just match one corner only. So I'll come here and match this corner. Okay, now I'll come here, zoom a little bit and press E. Okay, so I pressed E and then I'll zoom out. I'll hold shift and then just watch where it's fitting. So now here I'll have to zoom a little bit. Okay, now it's fit here. Then I'll zoom out, so a little bit is matched. Somehow we'll have to match some more. Okay, so here I'll select this, I'll press T, so now it's showing like this, and I'll come here, hold Alt, so Alt will be like this, and come here, hold Alt. Okay, here, but there are some problems here, so I can move some little more points. Okay, so now here is match also. Wait, here is not matching because here we need some more points in the middle. Okay, so here also we need to. Okay, now it's match, but when I play the shot, look, it's not following the shape. Okay, so now you will have to edit in between also. So what I earlier told you, I have keyframe here, I have keyframe here, so first I'll edit it in the middle. So I came here in the middle, selected the shape, and I'll do by my method the same way. Q, come it here and then zoom a little bit, press E, zoom out and then hold shift and zoom in a little bit, and like this. Okay, so zoom out, it's almost set, but here I think that's almost set. So now I'll check between these and this key. Okay, so I'll come here in between. It's almost matched, but I think a little bit of editing is needed. So here I'll come here, zoom a little bit, press E, T, press E, zoom out, and okay, that's nice. I'll check this one also. This one is good, but I need to okay, this one is good. Now I'll check in between these keys. Here also I think I need some editing, so zoom a little bit. Oh, sorry. Now I'll play the shot. So now as you can see, I have edited this shape only on 4 frames, only on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames, and then it is set to the shape. So you will have to check on all frames, like I have done it very roughly, so you will have to check on every frame, is it moving matching or not. Okay, so this depends on you how you check it and then do it properly. Okay, so in this thing what things you have to do is this black frame, then you will have to do this green frame, this green frame, and then you will have to do so now the scaling part is done in this video. In next video I'm gonna teach you about the rotation part. Okay, so Thank you for watching this video, and please do like, share and subscribe this video. Okay. Hey guys, if you find this video really helpful, then please give a thumbs up, and you can also support this channel. Here is Paytm QR code. You can scan it with your Paytm app, or you can directly send it to this number. Or if you are from outside of India, then you can use this PayPal link. I'll give this link in the description below.